Wagwan channels, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today we got another install. We gonna let the Civic exterior look a little better, you know what I mean? And not just look a little better, I need to improve my vision at nights. So my headlights are a little foggy right now, so I'm gonna install some headlights. I got these brand new headlights that I'm gonna install right now. And speaking of lights, today's video is sponsored by Auxito. Yes sir, them LEDs, we got them LEDs for y'all. And listen, I got the hookup. I'ma get you 15% off. Yes, I'm gonna put the code in the description. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. And the link, so don't worry about it. 15% off. And I'm gonna show you how easy these are to install, how bright they are, and you ain't gotta worry about the heat dissipation. We got that little fan going, you know what I mean? We got that little fan going, you know what I mean? So let's go and we gonna get this taken care of. I wanna thank Auxito again for sponsoring this video. Let's get to the video. Here I go. Auxito sent us their top of the line LED headlight bulbs, and they're definitely a game changer. These bulbs offer brighter, wider light, enhancing your visibility on the road while giving your car a sleek, modern look. Installation is a breeze, no tools required, no modification necessary. Just look at the difference in the brightness compared to your stock lights. They also offer fantastic LED fog lights, perfect for those tricky driving conditions, along with dome lights, brake lights, front side markers, turn signals, and many more. Ready to upgrade? Check out Auxito through the description link and use code MDGVlogs for your 15% discount. Lego! Open this package right now. Ooh, they got the glove. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what we got in the package. We got the glove, and I'm gonna use the glove. I don't normally wear gloves, but they gave me the glove, so I'm gonna use it. Got a little manual right here. Yeah, they're professional. I like that. They're professional. We got some zip ties and washers. O-ring, I should say. O-rings. Ooh, we got the lights. Look how clean this is. I love the material. I love how it feels. We got the little ballast right here. I hope they call it ballast, but we got the little ballast right here. We gonna do the comparison. Now look at these two. You can see that this one's outdated.
Ew, what's that?
This one's outdated. The material feels cheaper on this one. I like how this feels. It got a little weight to it. It's neater. I just love how this looks, man. I love it. I can't lie to you. Excuse that noise. But I just love how the design of this. And look, see what I'm saying? This ain't got no ballast to it. So you know what's going on. Got the flickering and all that. Like, it's cheaply made because I'm always scared of like bending these things and crushing the fan here. Always. I don't know why, but I'm always scared of it. Now these ones. Look at the material. You can tell that it's quality. I'm gonna install the lights, and I'm gonna keep the old one in one, and I'm gonna keep the new one in one, and then we gonna do a comparison. And y'all see yourself. This is why I got the quick release, you hear me? Out with the hose. So because I got my lights out and I'm changing these lights, I'm gonna show y'all how easy this is. And it's no different when it's in the car. Cause all you do, got this one plug here, push the light in, yep, the light locks in place, and that's it. Now we gonna go to the car, just wrap off, and I'm gonna show y'all how easy this is. Hope y'all can see this. But it's just one plug. One plug, and that's it. Here's the plug. Plug your light in. And that's it. That's it. That is it. One plug. That's all you need. One plug. One plug. Plug to your car harness, and that is it. And I'm gonna just connect the rest of the lights. I'm gonna show you how it is. And we gonna do the comparison. I got the old lights in here. I got the new one in this one. I'm gonna connect everything, and then we're gonna do a comparison of how bright they are. So this is the comparison. Yup. And we're gonna go for a night drive. Now, one thing I love about the Auxito bulb, listen to this one. This is the old one. You can hear that fan. You come over here, nothing. And that's what I love too. We going for a night drive. I'm gonna show you how bright these are. You ain't gotta worry about these lonely dark streets, because Auxito got you. Codes right here in the description. Check it out. Y'all get 15% off. I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. 15% off. Lego. Yeah, so these are the regular lights. Going for that test drive. These are the bright ones. Oh my God. Oh my God. The whole street. Look at the difference. Just look at the difference. The whole street. Love it. I love it. The whole. Oh, yes, sir. And this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You heard me? And if you want to get your visibility right in the night, use that code, use that link. I got y'all. 15% off. I got y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. And we out.